Guys, hello guys. Today we are going to discuss about the one more example on ARA handler. So I have taken a ARA component. The name of the component is this one, .cmp, and name of the component controller .js is the controller for this component. .app is the extension of the application of the component. Okay, this is the application. This is the component. Okay, whenever I write the component name in the application, this is the component name. Okay, automatically the component gets invoked, this component. When this component gets invoked, if any aura handler is present, if any aura handler is present inside the component, it gets executed first. Okay, then the body of the remaining body of the component gets loaded. Okay, so now what happened in the aura handler, there is the action part which is invoke. This will calls the controller. In the controller we have written invoke. So this part of the code execute first, the later the remaining part of the code gets loaded. Okay, so now let's go to the, this is the component. This component is for calculating the rate of, amount, interest amount. Okay, so let's update preview. So amount is 1000, rate of interest is 10, time is 10 years, then interest is 1000. Okay, if I give 1000 rupees for 10% interest for 10 years, I will get interest amount as 1000. Okay, so let's check out this on Paint so that you'll get more clarity. Now these are the amount, rate. There are, I have taken 4 attributes. Okay, amount, rate, time, and interest. These are the 4 attributes which are of type decimal. Okay, now I am passing the values. Amount is equal to 1000. Now this value will go to amount. So this 1000 is going in and sitting in this amount attribute. Okay, and this rate 10 is going into this rate. Okay, and this time 10 years will go to, sorry, will go to time. Okay, and this interest we are not setting. Okay, this interest we are not setting, this value we are not setting. Okay, so I am retrieving this amount 10, I'm sorry, 1000 or whatever it is, this amount component. I'm retrieving this amount into the component with the help of component.get. And similar is the fashion, I'm retrieving the rate value into this component with the help of component.get. And similarly, time is also I'm getting into the component with the help of component.get. And I'm storing these 3 values into the 3 variables, 3 different variables called where amount, where rate, where time. And I am initializing one variable called where int for calculating the interest. So amount into rate into time, PTR by 100 is the formula for interest. Okay, so it will do some calculation and so it gives some result. Now with the help of this component dot set, that means I am setting the value to this interest attribute. So this is the attribute name interest. So I'm calling this interest first here with the help of v dot interest, and I'm with the help of component dot set. I'm setting this some value into this interest. What value I'm setting? This result value, that is int value. I'm setting into this interest. Now this interest value which is coming from this formula is entering into this interest attribute. With the help of div tag, we are displaying this amount, rate, time, and interest value.